Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Honda Pilot. Stock number is A7180. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. You have HID headlights, just makes it a little bit brighter for you at night. Definitely keeps you nice and safe. Alloy wheels. We're going to take a look at the tread on the tires. You can see lots of tread left there, plenty of life. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. The seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips, no stains or tears of any sort on any of the seats here. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end where you have a rear backup camera on the back. And this Pilot is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you don't have to worry about sliding all over the road. A look in the hatch, there is a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you do need more storage space. You also have a power assist liftgate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. You have dual climate controls and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Honda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.